Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat mga kapangarap. Ito, kaka-check out ko lang po dito sa hotel sa Montreal, sa Ruby Pools Hotel. It's a very, not 5-star, but yeah, I should say 3-star. Malinis naman siya. And meron siyang restaurant dito, which is the Cabos Restaurant. So, isang mamahaling restaurant po dito. Yan, paikot po itong hotel na ito actually. Yan. Ito po yung aking bag. Hindi ko lang po yung aking service. And then, dito po yung pinaka-famous na orange julep. They call it orange julep po. Yung malaking orange po na yan. So may restaurant po dyan sa ilalim. Pagkagabi po ang dami pong tao dyan na nag-order. At the same time tumatambay po yung maganda sasakyan po dyan. Kaya yan po ang tambayan ng mga kabataan dito sa Montreal. And nakakatawa kasi ang dami-daming tao dyan every night. And of course katabi yan is McDonald's. And then meron tayo dito Mercedes-Benz, mga magandang cars po nakatabi dyan, tsaka Honda na rin po sila. So nakakatuwa kasi it's really amazing experience. And ito po yung Ruby Pools, yan po yung hotel sa mag-stay. And pauwi po ako mamaya, pero meron pa kami imimit. Po akong imimit na ibang lahi doon. Hopefully makuha natin, ma-encourage namin sila. And after that we'll drive maybe 40 minutes. And then mamaya po tayo ng airport. And i-flight ako mamaya pa uwi naman, papunta naman ng Alberta. And tomorrow sa office naman po ako sa Alberta, sa Edmonton. Kaya busy, and it's good na busy po tayo sa buhay kasi we wanna help more people. And that's our goal. Kaya we never stop. We never stop driving, we never stop flying, and we never stop approaching people, we never stop helping people, because we do know and we firmly believe that every single person needs help, right? Needs education, and that's what we do. Yun lang pong ginagawa namin, in-educate namin sila. We don't force people. We let them decide on their own. And nakakatawa kasi hindi mo man sila pilitin, basta naiintindihan nila, they are the one who will decide. Last night, meron kami kinausap na Pilipina. So she just new in Canada 6 months, and naka-open work permit sila mag-asawa. Nag-aaral siya dito, and she used to work in financial services in the Philippines. And nung nakita niya itong ginagawa namin, she just blown away kasi nag-work ngayon siya sa McDonald's, which is pinanggalingan ko yun. Nagkita kami kagabi, so kumento ko yung story ko sa kanya. And she decided right away, this is what I want to do, this is what I'm looking for, kasi I'm tired working 8 hours. I'm tired of being rejected at work. Yung mga tao na dito, kasi po pag manager ka sa McDonald's dito, maganda yung position mo, pero mahirap sometimes i-handle yung mga staff kasi you can't really force them to stay a little bit longer. Parang extend mo sila for quite a bit time kapag kailangan mo ng tao, or kapag hindi pumasok wala kang magawa. So yun po talaga yung challenge. Kahit ako nung nasa McDonald's ako, nagmamanage ako ng McDonald's dito, I'm not saying bad yung McDonald's. I'm trying to say is yung environment is not the same as environment sa ibang McDonald's. But I'm so thankful sa McDonald's. I'm not saying okay mag-work sa McDonald's. McDonald's is a great company. McDonald's taught me a lot, and McDonald's helped many people. But then yeah, sometimes dun sa mga kasama natin, yeah, I'm not complaining po, okay? I'm just stating the fact that na-experience namin po yun. And for sure marami nakaka-relate sa akin sa mga nanonood ngayon about McDonald's dito sa Canada. And of course I need to move on kasi I know I experienced that. That's why I decided to do this business and focus on this business. And because of that, so we managed to remove ourselves from being an employee, and now we are self-employed and business owner. And that's my goal. That's my ultimate goal, is to help many Filipinos here in Canada to see the beauty of being self-employed and being business owner rather than working as an employee. But of course you cannot force people to do it. Sometimes they are comfortable working, they are happy what they are doing. It's important, very important is the happiness. Kung masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, kahit maliit ang kita mo, malaki man yan, maliit, okay yon, right? Pero syempre ako, may mga anak ako, meron ako susuportahan family back home sa Pilipinas. So I really do this one not only for myself but for them. Okay, so maraming salamat po. Parating na po yung aking sundo. Punta kami ng opisina ngayon at medyo haggard pa yung mukha ko Kagigising ko lang kasi medyo nahaba ang tulog ko. Pero masarap kumpleto ang tulog ko ngayon kaya I'm excited ako to meet yung aming mga clients. Maraming salamat po sa inyo and I hope nagustuhan nyo po yung mga sinasabi ko sa aking vlog. Please comment lang po kung ano po yung mga gusto nyo topic na gusto nyo i-discuss ko. Again, maraming salamat po and God bless everyone. Good day po.